This homework just seems so simple. Why can't I seem to concentrate on it? Maybe if I doodle for a while, I'll figure it out.
Hey Spencer, what you doing?
Oh, not much. Just getting some makeup work done, that's all.
Awesome, so not much really. I have to tell you this crazy story that happened to Jennifer.
Actually, I kind of got to get this work done.
Actually, this story is crazy. Okay, so Jennifer's walking to her car, right? And she sees that the window's been broken into. So she looks in the passenger seat and she sees a pumpkin pie sitting there. And she's like, blah, blah, blah. Blah, blah,
Pumpkin
blah,
pie.
Blah, blah, blah,
I
blah,
love
blah,
that.
blah, blah, blah,
Well, it's not my favorite. I wonder what I'm going to have for dessert today. I hope it's like caramel flavored. Is it caramel or caramel?
Blah, blah, blah,
I think my friends say caramel, but I say caramel.
Dude, are you even listening to me?
Sorry, what was that?
You've been acting really weird lately.
What do you mean?
No, I mean, you've just been distracted.
Okay, that was like one example. I'm not usually like that.
Okay, well, what about last week when you picked up a penny in the middle of the street and almost got hit by a car?
Okay, that was bad, but it's nothing to worry about.
Well, see, now you're getting irritable. I'm just trying to look out for you. Listen, I'll talk to you later.
Crap, I think I hurt her feelings. I really gotta do this work though. I feel bad about upsetting her. Maybe there's something wrong with me. I've just been so distracted lately. She's just the most recent case of someone accusing me of not listening. It's been going on my entire life. Man, my self-esteem has just been so low and this whole attention thing isn't helping. I bet there is something wrong with me. What am I gonna do? I guess I should ask for help. Look up a psychiatrist or something. Hey, 200 Roy Street is close to here. Hi, is this Dr. Majeski's office? Yeah, my name is Spencer Jackson. I was wondering what your earliest availability was. Okay, great.
Are you Spencer Jackson?
Yeah, that's me.
Okay, can you please take a seat? The doctor will be here in a minute.
Thank you very much.
Are you Spencer Jackson?
Oh yeah, that's me.
Hi, I'm Dr. Majeski.
Oh.
Come on in.
Okay, thanks.
How are you feeling today?
Well, I just haven't been able to focus. My grades are just like terrible. They've been terrible for years, and I need to know why, because I think that I'm doing the right things, but I just get so distracted. And I just get so like energetic sometimes. I just don't know what to do. Well, it's been really hard to talk with my friends about things lately. They keep thinking I'm getting mad at them. Like just today, my friend kind of stormed out on me because, I don't know, she thought I was being irrational.
Okay. Have you ever been diagnosed with ADHD?
I think I've heard of ADHD before. I think my parents were talking about it when I was a little kid, but I don't really know what it is.
ADHD stands for Attention Deficit Hyperactivity Disorder. This condition affects 3 million people each year, and its symptoms include things like difficulty paying attention, hyperspells, and impulsiveness. By the sound of your relationship status, it seems like these symptoms are affecting your social life as well as your academic life. I'm surprised to hear that you haven't been diagnosed with the syndrome before, because it seems that all of your symptoms have been present throughout your life. They're very detectable and often diagnosed early as 4 or 5 years of age. Usually the symptoms are outgrown by your 20s, but because they are so prominent right now, I'm worried that they might carry through adulthood. Dopamine is a chemical that plays a large role in movement and also the brain's reward center. Dopamine is responsible for a large part of the cognitive, process, and pleasure system. Since your conditions weren't inherited, the problem is most likely caused by an environmental factor. If you had any complications at your birth, grew up near any toxic chemicals like motor fluids, were a victim of fetal alcohol syndrome, or sustained a head injury at a young age, any of these have been found to be a cause of ADHD.
My parents told me that when I was very little, I used to get into the coolant in the garage. Does that have anything to do with it?
There is a chance that this is the cause. Now, Spencer, ADHD is not curable, but it is very treatable. Ritalin, Vyvanse, and Adderall are the names of the 3 most commonly prescribed stimulants that can help alleviate your symptoms. I'm going to write you a prescription for a small dose of Adderall, and we can meet up at other times throughout the year to discuss how it's affecting you.
And this Adderall's gonna help me focus in school and have better relationships with my friends?
Well, that's what we're going to find out. Adderall does come with side effects. You may experience a dry mouth, a rapid heartbeat, tics, anxiety, and some irritability, amongst other symptoms. Please, Spencer, if you experience any of these symptoms, do not hesitate to let me know about it.
Thank you so much, Dr. Majeski. I couldn't figure out what was going wrong with me. I thought I was going crazy.
No problem, Spencer. If you ever have any questions, please do not hesitate to ask them. Here's your prescription, Spencer. Take 1 a day with breakfast and another one in the afternoon.
Alright, thank you very much.
Of course. Call me again if you have any problems.
Finally done with my homework. Now to make things right. Hey, it's Spencer. Yeah. Hey, what were you saying about Jennifer the other day?